Today I will be showing you how to set up and use Zoom backgrounds on a mobile device without being signed into a Zoom account. Step 1. Get in a Zoom meeting. Once you're in a Zoom meeting, go to press the three dots that are located right next to the people image on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Step 2. You're now going to press Virtual Backgrounds, which is right here. Step 3. You are now going to press the plus button, which is right here. If there is a pop-up like this after you press the plus button, press Allow All Photos. By doing that, your phone will allow your photos to be put onto the Zoom backgrounds. Step 4. Find a picture that you like, then tap it. Step 5. The last step. After you tap the image that you like, make sure that there's a check mark. Then, you are going to look for a blue box at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Once you press it, it will automatically load your background image onto Zoom. I hope this video helped you use Zoom backgrounds. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comment section below. This will help me improve, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you.